Okay, Leo, this is your second half of October. Let's see what is in store for you and how is it going to be. Keep in mind it's a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. If you have any question in your mind, you can drop it in the comment section below, and we will see the. We'll try to get the answer in a yes or no format, and just try to take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Second half of October for Leo. Second half of October for Leo. Love and career. Leo, second half of October. Second half of October for Leo. We have the Empress. Magician. Okay. King of Cups. Okay. Visible. Yeah. Okay, Leo. Okay, Leo, we have your energy here. The Sun, the best card of the tarot deck, because it screams fresh start, all the good things, all good energy, and fresh love, new love, caring love. We have this beautiful energy in the beginning of the second half of October. Leo, for those of you who are looking for love, who are single, they are going to find their partner. For those of you who are trying to, get into the second stage of their relationship, they will jump into the second stage of relationship. And for some of you, this might be something about pregnancy also. So I can see that some of you are pregnant, and a lot of manifestation. You were thinking about it, you wanted it, and the things that you wanted were happening. I can also see that for some of you there was a heartbreak and something happened in the past. This is not the future energy, this happened in the past. You had a heartbreak and you were sad and devastated, and you felt like you have lost something or someone, but then you manifested it. And I can see that for some of you this might be the new love, but for some of you, because we have manifestation and the heartbreak, so you manifested this person with whom you had a heartbreak, and they are back in your life, and you are going to start a family with them. It's a very beautiful energy. We have a lot of everything is moving towards commitment and start of a family, fertility, and blessings, and a lot of manifestation. You have been thinking about the situation, you were manifesting about it, and the universe is blessing you with this thing. So this card, or this pie also strongly suggests that if you have any negative thought in your mind, just get rid of that, because the second half of October is all about manifestation. So if you will manifest the good things will be happening. Okay. And now a lot of people you might be dealing with your own sign, Leo. You might be dealing with Pisces, strong energy of Pisces and Libra. We have Taurus and Gemini and Virgo also, and some of you might be dealing with Scorpio. So it's a very soulmate or marriage energy. For those of you who were looking for some job, this is the time when they are going to get a job. And if you haven't been in touch with your partner, soon you will be receiving a communication from them, and a lot of communication talking is happening. I can also see that some of you are, by the end of the October month, you are going to propose to someone, or somebody else is going to propose to you for a marriage relationship. Any relationship that you will enter in this time will end in a permanent thing. And I can see that for some of you might be thinking of starting a family. If you were planning to have kids, then this is the right time, and this is going to happen. So very beautiful energy, very beautiful time. Those of you who are not in contact with your person, soon your person will be approaching you. Don't worry, by the end of the October, you guys are going to talk to each other. You guys are going to communicate to each other about your feeling. And the best part is that communication is not about ending it, or apologizing for what they did, or changing the paths, but it is about love and being genuine about your feelings, texting, confessing how much you guys love each other, and the emotional progress that you have, gone through during this no contact situation. But keep in mind that you need to keep yourself very grounded and try to concentrate on manifesting what you want, Leo. This energy is all about manifesting. And if you are looking for a marriage proposal, you are going to get that. For those of you who are looking for a marriage proposal, they are going to get it. And for those of you who are waiting for a communication from the person, they might get it. Just quickly see that what is this Three of Swords. You know, just clarify it. But the energies that are there, it clearly says that the past person who broke your heart, they are going to come back. And if they are not going to come back, then you are very soon going to find someone new. A new love is there. So let's quickly clarify the Three of Swords. Three of Swords. A lesson, they're coming back. Three of Swords. And we have Ten of Swords. Okay. So this was your lesson. The Three of Swords was your lesson. You had a heartbreak, you were sad, and you were not in the good energy. And I for most of you, this there is a new person, and your person is not going to return, because we have this is the clarification for this card. So for most of you, this is about a new person in the scene, and you guys are going to be together, and this is something which is going to be permanent. You are in your best form. This person is in its best form. They are going to propose to you, or for some of you, you might, if you are in your masculine energy, you are going to propose to this person. And you are planning to start a family with this person. The past that happened gave you a lesson that these type of people I should stay away from. This is your lesson, and you've learned it. You had a lot of regret, and you were feeling sad and guilty about what you did. You shouldn't have been there. You shouldn't have no you shouldn't have invested so much on this person. But this person is past now. You are getting a beautiful energy, Leo. This new person, they are going to bless your life with happiness. And I strongly feel that for most of you, you manifested this thing. You manifested this kind of relationship. You manifested this kind of family. You manifested this kind of union, and you are going to have that. A lot of communication is going to happen by the end of the October. And this is all what you desired for, and this is happening, Leo. So very happy to have this reading, because manifestation is something which actually works, and this is going to work in your favor, Leo.